Jassy. But mole kakbae, ma kakbae, timbakbae, ma kakbae, ma toju timbakbae. Kilo gelo, je fuego. Samba.
Bad boy.
Not so.
Bad boy.
Not so.
All right, we welcome everybody. Come to the show today. Happy Monday to everybody. Now still the late night show with this on IzyBeatz. Oh yeah, drop the every IzyBeatz. Oh, with the applause. Hey, IzyBeatz. That's your early Monday plan. Yeah, you're not going to work on me today. How now weekend? Happy International Women's Day to all the women with the outside there. Applause again to all the women. God bless you now. Hi! Women. Our women there. Necessary evil, that's what they call them. Necessary evil. You know if you do without them. At the same time, they are wahala still day. But that wahala, that's they make everything
But
balance.
some men, they do without women these days.
No, some men. Yes, all right, so if you are creamed up, some of my friends, I don't know they mention names, so what they suspect recently. And then what father? How's it?
Mr. Flavor.
The Mr. Flavor guy himself. All right, but women. IzyBeatz, what's the thing we appreciate part about women generally?
Generally. And they majorly for the fact that they compliment anything we man they do. For my own opinion.
How did they compliment? They be like butter on top bread. They compliment butter.
Any which way you reason now. Because it really makes sense. Because knowing the fact, let's assume as you do work now, maybe you don't marry, you know for your mind if you reach out, say your wife did there, we go make you just smile, you know. As this late night show, they make people they smile. They compliment people.
Yes.
That's so.
Easier. The words of the elders. The words of the elders. No my knowledge, Jericho hair. They die just to cover the grey hair with all that. All right, so we welcome all of you now. Today will make too much sense. And of course, we get some kind of making sense people inside the building. All right, during the weekend, they do the awards thing on top of the AMVCA awards. And then go do small talk on top of the matter. We'll get one stylist at the building. Voe, she go there with us for here. We also get two of our very, how to put it now, these two guys, they argue for Africa. And there's a bit dissect political gist down. Anybody will know say me, I not too like politics and every. But for these two guys, they make they switch to one watch and listen. All right, so we get Chukudi and Nkubi that will join us on top of the show today. And of course, we can get Bula. Enter us, can do some kind of hip-hop things and music every for us to make sure say the team blend on a Monday night. All right, so we're going to sit back and see the late night show with this. No go anywhere. My name now Ogbolor, and I welcome all of you now to the late night show. All right, so IzyBeatz, carry us come out. By the time we come back, the show starts official. All right?